Hi, Cosplay Vicar here. I've been asked enough times how I've strapped up my chest box. So I thought it would be time just to make you a very quick video on this. So this is my 3D printed chest box, and on the back I've modelled my own strapping system. So if I just hold this up to the camera so you can see. So I've modelled the back, did this in Tinkercad, so simple. So the strap runs through the back through these two loops, and then I've got two loops here at the top, of which the strap then just bolts on. So it's bolted on there. Do I have my chest armor so it goes up and round and down? No, I don't think it looks right. It certainly doesn't look right on me. So this is how I've strapped my chest armor. And this is my, I'll just throw my undersuit on very quickly so you can see how it goes. Go straight over there, arms through. Now when I'm kitting up, I often get a spotter just to do the back for me, just so it's all straight and not tangled. Now I don't do it over tight because I like it to kind of just hang. But what I've done is I put two rivets on here so that I clip my shoulder armor to my belt, to my box, and then I know that this is then square. So the danger is you can end up with this slightly skewy, like that, and you go out, you look like it's just a mess. So what I've done is I've poppered this, and it goes onto my shoulder bells. Then I know that this is just going to hang down exactly in the right spot that I want it to hang down. So on the back, you see the straps come over, crosses over at the back, and then comes round and is then buckled right here. You can see that somewhere here, this is then, I've got a little screw and a nut just holding this all in place. You could probably glue it, but I wanted something that was mechanical, that if I needed to replace it, change something, change a size, fitting, that kind of thing, I could just undo it that easily. So there you go. Chest armor fits just like this. I hope that's helpful for anyone who's building Vader right now. I'd love, if you're building Vader, find me on Instagram. I would love to see what you're making, and if I can help in any way, I'm more than happy to do so. So there you go, Cosplay Vicar signing out with my Vader chest armor.